Hey everyone, this is Sony the RV DJ, and today for our Jeep installation, we're going to be installing these carbon fiber looking surrounds right on the Jeep. So right here, one on each side, and I'll show you how to do that. First you'll need your rubbing alcohol with a paper towel and your parts. After that, you clean the area, which we're going to do now. Take the tape off the back of those and stick them on. So first, you take your paper towel that's dampened with some alcohol. Do not get it on the paint. I'm going to wipe this down so they stick. And they go right along the edge there. Alright, so now that we have the backing off of the 3M tape, I'm just going to take this and stick it right on here, like that. Goes right over the side vent. Just like that. And there you have it. That's what it looks like. Like I said, it's not real carbon fiber, it's plastic, otherwise it'd be like $100. But, yeah. Looks good. So that's it for the installation of those vent trim covers. And we'll see you on the next one.